Hi guys, welcome back with me on the Jocker Studio channel. As usual, on this occasion, I will share a tutorial Lightroom mobile. On this occasion, I will share how to edit photos with black and orange filter. Before going to the tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. In this tutorial, I will not explain in detail because speaking in English is complicated, but in this tutorial I will say that you can pause the video for a screenshot. Okay, let's just start the tutorial. First, I will start with the profile menu, then continue to the light menu to adjust the lighting in this photo, and then continue to the coloring selection. Okay, first select the profile menu and search for PENTING 6. Then continue to the light menu. In this section, I suggest you to set according to your needs. After I set the lighting, you can pause the video for screenshot in this section.
Melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat. And on we'll go.
Continue to the color. I will set first and then you can screenshot.
Turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After that, continue to the color mix. I will start from the leftmost color to the last color, and like that. After I set you to pause the video for a screenshot.
See the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, after setting the color, we return to the light menu to set the curve.
No, I don't want no rest. turns to sun rays, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
After setting the curve, go to the effect menu. After setting in the effect menu, the tutorial has ended. Let's see the difference before and after editing photos. After the tutorial ends, how do you respond? Please write in the comment section your opinion about this silly tutorial. Thanks for watching this video and see you next time.
I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.